Now that we have the data we want to plot, we can define how we want our graph layout to look. We do this by using GraphObject's built-in layout function, which works very similarly to how we defined our data. The only thing we want to add is a basic title and axis labels. So first we set title to University Data. Next, we are going to create a scene. The reason we do this is the layout function does not support 3 dimensions, so they added a scene parameter that can support 3 dimensions. Inside this scene parameter, we will edit the x-axis and set the title to SAT average. We can then move to the y-axis and set the title to average salary. Finally, we can move to the z-axis and set the title to percentage white. In the next and final video, we will be combining the layout and data into a figure and viewing that graph.